I fell asleep and woke up in LA. How I end up here? I don't know, it's a voice inside my head that whispers in my ear, telling me I'm great and everything I have that I deserve. I don't know, sometimes I sit and think that I ain't never earned it. Every sin committed, every homicide or robbery, my side of town we did it. It's a stick up, nigga. Put them hands up, shoot them if you fidget. If I get a drop on one of them niggas, I'ma shoot it till I break it. See, that's just how it go. Murder business, we collecting souls and killing niggas. I'm the CEO. If you need a car, buy it. Young, just tell me you wanna go. Yeah, just tell me you wanna kill. I support it. Don't ask how we get them things across the border. They imported. Yeah, that's my switch you blowing. It's a button and a ladder on my Glock. Who my opponent? Niggas tough as shit online, but niggas duck you when I'm throwing. Bend the corner, let me out on feet. How I'ma get up on it? Niggas mad, fuck it. Niggas got me mad. I'm in my bag again. Ha ha ha. Niggas on the net still doing that trolling shit. Ha ha ha. You little homie down this car. Let's see if you laugh at this. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. You niggas made me sick. Every sin committed, every homicide or robbery, my side of town we did it. It's a stick up, nigga. Put them hands up, shoot them if you fidget. If I get a drop on one of them niggas, I'ma shoot it till I break it. See, that's just how it go. Murder business, we collecting souls and killing niggas. I'm the CEO. If you need a car, buy it. Young, just tell me you wanna go. Yeah, just tell me you wanna kill. I support it. Don't ask how we get them things across the border. They imported. I fell asleep and woke up in LA. How I end up here? I don't know, it's a voice inside my head that whispers in my ear, telling me I'm great and everything I have that I deserve. I don't know, sometimes I sit and think that I ain't never earned it. Every sin committed, every homicide or robbery, my side of town we did it. It's a stick up, nigga. Put them hands up, shoot them if you fidget.